Back, guys, to another episode. You don't need a lot of ingredients for this, so let's go right to the recipe. Love you. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, welcome to another quick episode. Shows you how to make a quick meatball parmesan sandwich using little ingredients and little effort. So for today, we're going to need 2 pieces of good quality bread, but pick the bread that you want. This is pumpernickel. We're going to need to use olive oil since this is Italian. You really don't want to use avocado because that's used for other things. Olive oil is good for Italian food. We're using the legendary Rao's marinara. If you can see that sauce on the camera, look how nice that is. We have frozen meatballs, and we're using a pizza blend. Use the cheese of your choice. So to get these meatballs started, we're going to put them in a pan with some olive oil. So let's go right to that. Alright, so we have this little pan on medium. Throw that olive oil in there. And the thing you're going to want to do is throw those meatballs in there. And add some garlic powder. Alright, so after you throw in that garlic powder, put this between low and medium, and you're going to just want to keep moving this around so it doesn't burn. But the olive oil and garlic will make those meatballs much better. And in this pan here, we're going to put butter on the toast to warm that. Alright, YouTube, so we have this pan on medium, and these sides are buttered. Flip them over, and we're going to want to toast them. We're only going to toast to one side because we want to leave this side untoasted to add like crisp. And while this is toasting, you see those meatballs, how garlic powder and olive oil brought them back to life and added flavor and texture. So everything is going good, and this is so simple to make. See you soon. Alright, guys, you can see how that's brown. And you can see how those meatballs turned out that were frozen. Alright, so your next step is take some sauce and put it on the bottom layer of that. So put a layer of that on there like you were making pizza. And use your spoon to spread that. Alright, YouTube. So the next step you want to do is put these meatballs on there. If you can't use all of them, just use 3. Alright, so we got those meatballs down there. Now the thing we want to do is take this. We definitely don't want to waste that. And the thing you're going to want to do is just drizzle that over the sandwich. That's going to add so much more flavor and texture. If you can see that, you could use bread to mop that up. But look at that. Alright, so the thing we're going to want to do next is place your cheese down there. And we're just going to melt this cheese on there. And you could use many different ways to melt this. Alright, YouTube. So to melt this, you could put it either in the oven, toaster oven. You could put it in that pan where we toasted the bread and put the cover on. Or you could put it in the microwave. I'm going to put this in a toaster oven, and I will be back to show you the product. Alright, YouTube, there you have it. Your meatball parm sandwich made with frozen meatballs and the famous Rao's or Ross sauce. This shows how easy it is to take quality ingredients you find in a store and make semi-homemade meals. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for being part of this channel. If you're new and you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I plan on bringing many episodes every week. Bye-bye. Love you, Dansoy. Peace.